The Trump administration announced a temporary pause last night in funding most federal financial assistance programs.
Now, this afternoon, a federal judge moved to temporarily block that freeze. As KXAN's Kevin Bosker reports, one local organization that relies on such aid worries about its future as things hang in the balance.
What was your reaction like when you heard the grants would be paused?
I was shocked. It left a lot of organizations unclear on what to do.
Bradley Hargis is with Capital Area Private Defender Service, CAPS, a nonprofit in Austin that helps assist people in need of lawyers when they cannot afford one. But with the freeze on funding,
you'd be looking at tens of thousands of dollars in attorney's fees, which almost no incarcerated client has.
The Trump administration said in a memo that the pause will provide time to determine, quote, the best uses of funding that are consistent with the law and president's priorities. The memo states activities that will be paused includes, but is not limited to, quote, financial assistance for foreign aid, on government organizations, DEI, woke gender ideology, and the Green New Deal.
I certainly understood that the new administration may have different priorities for future grants that they might award, but I've never seen an administration break a commitment for grants that have already been awarded or already being funded. And in many cases, the work has already been done and needs to be paid for.
Do you fear that you're going to have to lay off anyone in your organization?
Every nonprofit will and does. These grants support fundamental and essential positions, and even a short pause will represent the need to move those staff to other programs. And if you can't support that, yeah, I think you are having to look at layoff staff.
Kevin Bosker, KXAN News.
And to gain more insight on how this could impact agencies in our community, we reached out to several area nonprofits as well as local and county municipalities. Family Elder Care says it's still working to learn how this could impact their organization. And leadership at Travis County says, quote, from purchasing equipment for our sheriff's deputies to funding attorneys for the public defender's office, federal grants play an important role in our ability to serve our community. We will work with our federal representatives to determine how this will affect our operations and affect the community we serve.
And going in depth on this, those in the medical industry feel some of the same emotions as officials try to navigate the Trump administration's order to temporarily freeze some operations. A week ago, the heads of federal health agencies received a memo instructing them to immediately put a pause on external communication and public appearances until February 1st. Now, in addition to this, research publication Science reported that the administration ordered a freeze on hiring and an indefinite ban on travel within those agencies.
Depending on how long this goes, it could disrupt that innovation at the beginning that we'll start to see later down the road in 6 months, a year, when we see a decline in the new opportunities coming to patients.
And the National Institutes of Health disperse billions of dollars every year to fund around 50,000 research projects around the country. In a letter obtained by NBC News, the NIH director said clinical trials can continue as scheduled.